Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about writing notes in the bass clef. So you can see that I've got my bass clef here ready to go, and our bass clef tells us what each of these lines and what each of these spaces mean, which notes they are. So to start off with, we've got 5 notes here on our lines from bottom to top, and we have a phrase we use to remember that. So you might remember for treble clef, it was every good boy deserves fruit. For bass clef, we say good birds don't fly away. So good birds don't fly away. And again, we take the first letter of each of those words. And that's what tells us our notes going bottom to top on our line. So the bottom line here, you'll see, is my first letter, a G. G for good. My second line here, so counting from the bottom, 1, 2, is my second letter, B for birds. My third line, 1, 2, 3, is going to be a D. 1, 2, 3, 4 is an F. And lucky last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good birds don't fly away. So we can see counting bottom to top, our lines will go G, B, D, F, A. For our spaces, we've got 4 spaces here. And we have another sentence or another phrase that we use. And this one is only 4 words. It's all cows eat grass. And we do exactly the same process. So we're going to take that first letter of each of our words there, A, C, E, and G. And that's what's going to tell us our notes going from bottom to top. So the first space at the bottom is an A. The second space, all cows, C for cow. The third space, all cows eat. It's going to be an E. And our 1, 2, 3, 4th space, all cows eat grass, is going to be a G. So they are our notes of the bass clef. And of course, it doesn't matter what order they're in, whether they're going bottom to top or they're all mixed up. Each of these lines and spaces always stays the same. So if we look down here to our second stave, our first note that I've got here is on our first line. I'm going to go up to our line phrase here. The first letter is G, so I know because it's the first line, it's a G. This next note, 1, 2, 3, 4, my 4th line, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be an F. Good birds don't fly. This one here is my second space. So I'm going to go to my space phrase, all cows. So C will be my note there. This one here, all cows eat grass. That's going to be a G. This one's on our line, so I need to go back to the other phrase. Good birds don't fly away. And I can see this is a D. And our lucky last, all cows eat grass. I can see it's in the same space as that A, the first space. So that will be an A.